Hey everyone, welcome back on this session video. So in this today's session, we are going to talk about the roll-up summaries, right? So in the financial service cloud, clients data like tasks, events, and financial accounts, all of these are aggregated or roll up into the client's financial summary, right? And the summarized data make it easy to see the client's complete financial picture, right? So we are using the custom objects. Let me just show you. We are using rollup by lookup configuration and rollup by lookup filter criteria objects for these concepts, right? So these two objects that come with the financial service cloud, these objects are enabled calculation of rollup summaries based on the lookup field relationship between objects, right? Rather than master or detailed relationship, right? So you can check and have a look both of in these objects, right? So the financial cloud provides several out of box roll up summaries at the person and group level, right? Including the following, for example, total financial account, total bank account, total investment account, total insurance policies, right? Wallet share, total assets, total assets under the management, right? So you can only set roll up uh, you can only set up uh, roll up for the primary group, right? If the primary group field is not enabled, the option to roll up is restricted, as we know, right? So uh, we don't recommended or provided support for creating or customization financial service cloud rollup by lookup rules, right? So so let's have a look for the rollup summaries, how it is useful for us, right? So go to the accounts tab and open Adams household sample record from here. And okay, if you note the total financial account here, right, this is 43 lakhs. And now let's give some additional money to Scott Adam, right? So go to relationship tab and open Scott Adam account record from here, right? Okay, so click on financial account tab and open the primary checking account. Right, so open the primary checking account from here. And you can see that Rachel Adam is joint owner of the Scott's primary checking account, right? So go into the primary checking account and change the balance to, let me make this 20k, right? Click on save. Okay, now let's go back to the Adam household record, and it should be increased, right? So let me refresh it. Okay, so if you noticed earlier, this is 43 and 88k, something like that, right? And when we added some money to Scott Adam, it should I mean it added uh, 10,000 extra in this money, right? So this is the concepts of roll-up summary in the financial service cloud, right? Now let's uh, now let's talking about defining what gets roll up to the primary group, right? So so we are, yes, we are on the same account, Adam household sample. And scroll down if you see here, group member section, let me just click on related tab. Yes, so click on related tab. Here you can see the group members sections, right? So to make changes to rollup, you can change the selection of activities and objects rollup directly from the group member card, right? So click on edit, change the Scott Adams rollups and remove the financial account and click save, right? So if we remove from financial account from here, right, and click on save, okay, okay, so the total financial account uh, should be changed, right, because we removed financial accounts for Scott Adam rollups, right? So okay, so the total financial account is changed here. I am not refreshing my browser, that's why it is not changed. Now I refresh it. Okay, so this amount is changed because of we removed the financial account for the Scott Adam, right? So this is the concept from where you can edit or edit the amount for your group member, right? And okay, so now let's talk about the account ownership and roll-ups, right? So account ownership also has an impact on roll-ups. Let's test this with Rachel's and Scott, right? So okay, so if you noticed the total financial account for the Adams household, uh, no, let's forget this and open the Rachel's Adams sample, right? And notice the total financial account for the Rachel's Adams sample account record, right? And now let's go to the Scott primary checking account and review the honors, right? You can, we just click on relationship tab, open the Scott item from here, uh, click on financial account. Oops, sorry, yeah, and click on primary checking account, right? Okay, so if you see here, the Rachel Adams is a sample, Rachel Adams sample is the joint owner for the Scott Adams primary checking account, right? So remove remove the Rachels from the joint owner and okay, click on save. Okay, so if we remove the account owner for any member, right, joint owner for the any member, this is also have a role, a big role for the the household total amount, right? So if we remove the joint owner from the Scott Adams primary checking account, this should be impact, right? So let me just refresh it. Yes, if you can see here, this is changed, right? So this is the concept for the account ownership for any member, this any member for this household record, right? Okay, okay, so this is all of the concepts I want to talk in this session. I hope this will help you Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.